Hello and welcome to Taiko no Craft. And today I would like to introduce myself and explain a little bit about this channel and why this exists. So, first I would like to talk a little bit about how Taiko is into my life. Basically, on every mall on my city, there is a taiko machine, the arcade machine, and I just love to play that. And recently, I had this very nice gift that I received from my girlfriend. And because she saw that I love playing taiko on those arcade machines, she gave me this. And it's really nice, but I noticed that the sensibility here is a little bit strange and clicky, look, which is not something that you can find on the real arcade. So because of that, and I am a maker and a developer, founder, etc., everything, I decided to start building my own taiko drum. So on some shorts that you saw, I made some videos testing some sensors, etc. And this is the start of this new path, this new saga, I don't know, this project basically. Here I have some components that I am using. Currently I have this ESP32, which is basically a microcontroller, kind of like a small computer. I have some jumpers, LEDs, and this is what controls. Oh, something fell. This is the sensor. This sensor is called piezoelectric sensor. It is basically something that generates a small voltage when you tap here that can be translated using this board to a computer. Right now, I can't use that on the computer as a controller. I discovered that doing some research, but for now it's good to test this sensor and how I can apply that on a drum like this. I have also a lot of other questions about taiko drums. For example, what is this part of the drum made? This seems like rubber, but during some research on this field, I noticed that it is not rubber on the original. It's kind of like leather, or I forgot the name, I'll put on the screen, but it's not leather. The idea is that this surface should be bouncy to be able to kind of like tap here and bounce back like this. So that's something that I want to keep in mind. So during this process of building my own taiko drum, I will need to focus on some key features, such as sensibility. I want to be able to control how sensitive this surface is. So for example, I want to detect a tap from very subtle like that or a strong like that, and determine if I want to only detect strong or subtle and soft taps. I also would like to have a way to be totally customizable, so be able to replace this, replace the legs, the drumsticks, and something that I would like to have is also being able to control the angle here. So I would love to kind of put here, control the angle, and also here I would like to have a visa mount, a visa, I don't know the word, sorry. But it's the mount that you use on monitors. So it would be like something that you can put on the monitor stand. And also, I'm not sure, but I would like to create some kind of control. Even if I don't use those controls, would be like to have for Nintendo user or something, because I want to make this project completely open source so everyone can make their own taiko drum and can build their own version of this project. So yeah, that's it. On the next video, I'm gonna try to show you guys how to start using those controllers, those boards here, because it's very interesting. And there is another board which is a Raspberry 2040, I guess. Let me search real quick. I just bought that on online store. Give me a second. I'm gonna find here. Because this specific board you can't use as a controller like this, you know. You need a board that can kind of emulate a keyboard or a gamepad. I bought a Raspberry Pi 2040. It's the Pi Pico. I'm not sure if it's the correct name, but let me show you guys real quick. See details. Wait. So this is the board. It's a Raspberry Pi 2040 and can emulate a device and also have USB-C. So it's very good to applications that involves connecting to PC. And that's it. I'm gonna create a website soon, probably, or something like a blog that I can post about my development. I will put everything on GitHub when everything is done, and hopefully if you guys helps and with some good research, I will be able to build a proper taiko drum. It's funny because taiko in Japanese means drum, so building my drum, building my taiko no taijutsu. Is taiko no taijutsu the name? Am I saying the correct name? I'm not sure. It's anyway. It's taiko no tatsujin. Anyway, thank you for your attention and patience and time. I am from Brazil, so my accent can be not so good and not so easy to understand. I will try to improve that. But if you want to see a bit about what I already did, watch some shorts that is on the channel. Look, those shorts I did. This specifically is very interesting because I was testing some materials. So take a look on those shorts. It's very interesting. I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye bye.